Welcome to What's in My Bag. This is an ongoing series where I'm going to highlight and showcase the things I carry in my bag. We're going to spend a little time on them. Something I like to keep in my bag, these silicone pouches. They have a zip top on them. I found these on Amazon. And what I find them very handy to have for is for medicine, vitamins, medicine, supplements. I've also put some of those beauty ampules that hold different types of oils in them, and I've used them in that. I don't put any creams or lotions in them. They are not airtight sealed. If it's liquid, it will leach out, but it's fine for things like this. It's also a great thing to put jewelry in when you're traveling. So these little silicone pouches come in sets of 10 to 15. They come in either one color or like this in different colors, so you can categorize them. But always make sure I keep some of these extra in my packing area because I love to put these in my bag.
We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.